Is your Mac capable of turning into a Kaspa generating machine? Let's find out. First, let's talk hardware. Macs aren't exactly known for their mining prowess. Kaspa mining relies heavily on your GPU or CPU. Unfortunately, Macs often have weaker integrated graphics, making GPU mining less efficient. CPU mining is possible, but generally less profitable and can heavily strain your system. Next, software. You'll need a mining program compatible with Mac OS. Search for reputable CPU miners designed for Kaspa. Download and install one that suits your needs. Be extremely cautious about downloading from unverified sources. Configure the miner. You'll need a Kaspa wallet address to receive your mined coins. Then, input your wallet address and set the number of threads your CPU will use. Be mindful when selecting the thread of the CPU. Now, the big question: profitability. Mining Kaspa on a Mac will likely yield small returns factoring electricity costs, hardware wear and tear, and the fluctuating price of Kaspa. Use online mining calculators to estimate potential profits based on your Mac specs. Keep an eye on your Mac's temperature while mining. Macs are known for their cooling limitations. Excessive heat can damage your components. Monitor tongue and consider limiting the mining intensity if needed. In conclusion, while technically feasible, mining Kaspa on a Mac might not be the most lucrative venture. Weigh the costs and benefits carefully before diving in, and always prioritize your Mac's health.